What is up, guys? Danny this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem your LinkedIn premium voucher. So first, log into your LinkedIn account, and after that, on the right side at the top, you will see your profile. Click on that profile and then click on Settings and Privacy. After clicking on Settings and Privacy, here you just need to scroll on a bit, and then under the Subscriptions and Payment section, you will see the option of Upgrade for Free. Click on this, and after clicking on this, a new window will open. So from here, you just need to choose a reason why and what is your primary goal for using the premium. And after that, if you don't have any reason, you can just simply click on other and then click on next. And after that, you just need to choose the premium plan that you want. And after that, here is the 1 month for free. And when you click on it, you just simply need to enter the voucher that you want to enter or that you already have. And after entering the voucher code, you will receive the voucher for free. And as you can see, here is the credit and debit card or UPI option. So you can just choose from these and you can just simply install and you can just add your code to redeem this premium. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.